I would definitely recommend Duquesne's SBDC to not only people starting their own business, but people that are already in business looking to grow and take it to the next step. I'm Marziale, founder of Townshare, a unique digital space for local and regional businesses where they can get together and join the communities that help support them. So what we're trying to do is grab local and regional businesses that usually don't get the opportunity to be in front of people's faces, such as like the big box stores that you're used to seeing. We're trying to get them all in one spot online where you don't have to compete on Google or Bing to try to get your search results higher. We think if we can put them all in one place, it's going to be easier for people to find them and shop them. You're going to come to Townshare to know I'm shopping local and regional. I'm also coming to Townshare to grab the communities that support these local and regional businesses. Starting a business can be very difficult. When I started at Duquesne's SBDC, it was one of those ideas of, can this even work? I was able to sit down with advisors. We went through market data, feasibility studies, and really kind of sat down and said, is this possible? From there, they put me in contact with the right networks and the right people to actually get this thing off of the ground. Duquesne University's SBDC was able to help me develop a business plan that allowed me to go and seek out an SBA loan. So that was my first round of funding that actually was able to get me to develop the website. Our ongoing work together has allowed me to be in contact with the correct networking groups, such as chambers of commerce and other business communities. This has allowed me to get clients onboarded at Townshare. I would definitely recommend Duquesne's SBDC to not only people starting their own business, but people that are already in business looking to grow and take it to the next step. The resources have been invaluable to me to really get this thing from a pie in the sky dream to an actual tangible website that's live.